Hey, this is Phil Simon, and I wanted to show you how you can use Notion formulas to create one based on an attachment. It's a little funky, but basically here's how you rock and roll. So I'm going to just create a new page in Notion, and we'll do a just test database. We'll do an inline database. Oops. Yep, there we go. And we'll just call this test DB. So we'll have here a name of, let's say you wanted to track Microsoft Word attachments if you run a publishing company like I do. So this might be chapter 1, and one of the properties might be an attachment. Files and media, we'll just call this Word draft. Now, right now there's nothing in here, but if I upload a file, and it really could be anything, I will just grab an image here, and if I wanted to create a formula, here's where it gets a little dicey. I'll just call this number attachments. Now I'll edit it, and if I look here, I won't see under properties here Word draft. And that's kind of strange. So at some point, this broke, but here's the way to fix it. If I type in prop, which is kind of old school Notion 1.0 formulas, type in left parenthesis quote, and now the case is perfect here, and the space is perfect, and I will see now Word draft. Now it shows up here. So if I do say a length calculation, and can spell, boom, I hit this. So now my formula is 1. And effectively now I can create all sorts of different formulas based on that, or views. So right now I'm just going to duplicate this, and we'll call this chapter 2, and I'll get rid of the attachment here. And this goes to 0. So if I duplicate this view and just say attachments only, and throw in a filter of attachments greater than 0, that should restrict it. So yes, in a nutshell, here's how you get around that current Notion limitation. Thanks for watching.